Head of the Department Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide Sandeep Kumar Parashar sir, seminar coordinator D.P. Sharma sir, faculty members, examiners and my friends. I am Shubham Jain, pursuing my B.Tech from University Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Today I am pleased to be here in front of you to deliver the presentation of seminar topic fabrication and characterization of functionally graded materials. This is the overview or the list of content. So let's start with the introduction and know about what is the functionally graded materials. Functionally graded material is a class of material that possess a spatial variation in composition, microstructures and properties. FGM or functionally graded materials have been developed to overcome the limitation of conventional homogeneous material which have uniform properties throughout the materials. Now let's talk about the fabrication technique or fabricate functionally graded materials. Mainly these methods are divided into four categories. First is gas-based method, liquid-based method, solid phase process and the biopolymeric based functionally graded structures. So the first method is gas-based method. In this method, the fabrication of FGM involves the use of gas as a medium to deposit different materials on a substrate. The process can be achieved through techniques such as chemical vapor deposition, thermal spray, surface reaction process. These gas-based fabrication techniques can create coating or film of materials which different properties makes them useful in a wide range of application for wear resistance coating to electronic devices. Now, the first gas-based method is chemical vapor deposition or chemical vapor infiltration. This is an old chemical process method used for industrial purpose. It's now used for various applications like semiconductors, ceramics, turbine blades and solar cell, etc. Now the second method is thermal spray. It has a long history and is used to high temperature coating. Different materials and techniques can be used, including cold spray and functionally graded thermal barrier coating. Next gas method is surface reaction process. Surface treatment techniques modify surface properties of metals via diffusion of reaction, species reaction in new phases and improved wear, harden and corrosion resistance. After the gas-based method, the next method are liquid phase process. The liquid phase process of fabrication of functionally graded material, where the material composition varies gradually from one end to the component to the another. In this method, the starting material are mixed together in form of slurry, which is then cast in inject into a mold. The slurry modifies as it cooled, resulting in a component with a gradient of material properties. Some methods involved in liquid phase process are shown as on the screen. The centrifugal casting, combustion tape casting, etc. As per the properties or materials and the shape of the desired part, the suitable process is going to be chosen. After liquid phase process, now next method is solid phase process. This process involves the controlled deposition of multiple layers of different which are then fused together and create a gradient in material properties across the resulting structures. These some methods involves in the solid phase process, the spark plasma sintering and the powder metallurgy. The powder metallurgy is a widely used method in industries. Now the last method is biopolymeric based functionally graded materials. The fabrication of biopolymeric based functionally graded material structures involves the creating materials with varying properties that changes gradually over the volume. Now some method to create biopolymeric based functionally graded material structures are freeze drying, compression, molding and electrospinning. Now the diffusing the method or techniques of fabricate functionally graded materials. Let's talk about the characterization of functionally graded materials. The characterization involves the mechanical, thermal, electrical characterization and microstructure analysis of functionally graded materials. The mechanical characterization of functionally graded materials involves tensile test, compression test, bending test, fracture or toughness or impact test, indentation or hardness test, and the other test that defines as per the other mechanical properties of materials. Next, thermal characterization, which involves the transient plan source method and the laser flash method, which test the thermal resistance of the material. Now the electrical characterization of functionally graded material, which involves four prop test and Hall effect measurement. These tests are the electric resistance test of the or the electric conductivity of materials. The microstructure analysis are the tests to find out the molecular structure or the atomic level properties of the materials. That's all about my side.